So you're having some issues with your PlayStation 5 console, or you want to sell it or give it away, and that's why you need to reset your PS5 console to factory default and erase all content and data from it. So I'm gonna show you how to wipe your console clean in just a few seconds. Now to factory reset, we need to go to settings, that's on the top right corner. From there go down to system, then go right on system software, all the way down to reset option. Press X. And from here we need to select reset your console. But don't forget that this will delete every bit of user data that's on your console. And if you have console sharing enabled, it will also disable it. So if you want to go ahead, press reset. And we got another warning. So we'll select yes on that. And now our console will restart and reset itself to factory default. This may take a while, so during the process, don't turn off your PlayStation. And that's it. Now our console is reset and it's looking like brand new. If you want to set it up again, then you need to connect your DualSense controller with the wire and then set it up as usual. But if you want to give it away, then don't bother. So that's all for now. Hope you found this helpful. Make sure to leave your feedback and I'll see you in the next one.